Open quay wall designs pose particular challenges for the installation of safety ladders and ensuring that there is always access to safety. In recent years, the use of open quay wall designs with pile-supported platforms have greatly increased, and safety ladders must now withstand significant forces. These include tidal, ice, waves, thruster forces and vessel impacts, all of which have created challenges for safety.
At Port of Oslo, we found that the existing options for installation of safety ladders on an open quay all face disadvantages on cost or safety level.
Steel ladders require extra support structures in order to handle these impact forces. However, these support structures need to be carefully designed, custom manufactured, installed and maintained to minimize the risk of corrosion. Chain ladders can handle these forces from a cantilever installation better, but are far from ideal as permanent safety solutions. Even with counterweights fitted, they are inadequate as safety solutions, as they require skill and real strength to use by the person in distress due to their non-rigid nature. After 5 years of research and development, we have created the new LifeLadder with flex joints for cantilever installation. Easy to find, visible day and night, allows stronger forces to bend the long cantilever arm, returns to its original rigid and vertical position, easy to climb for a person in distress.
LifeLadders with the cantilever option is robust and flexible at the same time. LifeLadder can handle cruise ship thruster impact at open quays. This is a significant and satisfying improvement to earlier versions tested at Ålesund in Norway.
LifeLadder with flex joints is a unique and novel solution for cantilever installation that now makes it possible to address problems that have existed for decades. Upgrade your level of safety on open quays. Contact us today at portsafety.com.